Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, what up? First thing, don't mind this on my chest. I have a heart monitor on. I'm doing fine. I'm okay, promise. But today we are going to be shaving our face, or I'm shaving my face. You're not shaving anything unless you are, which is cool too. Today I'm going to be shaving my face for the very first time. Like, I'm losing my face shaving virginity here. Let's make a big deal of it. I watched Jaclyn Hill and Aaliyah J's videos of them like demoing how they shave their faces and why they do it. And it's great for removing dead skin cells. Your makeup applies better around your face, or just on your face, when you don't have like the little hairs that you naturally grow on your face. And then for me personally, I had a full-on mustache and a chin hair. So it felt like it was time to go ahead and do that. If you guys want to see me shave my face for the first time, then keep watching. There's someone in the background. He's a ghost. Ignore him. If I cut myself, I cut myself. You got to gamble to be pretty. You know what I mean? I have cleansed my face with like I washed my face and then I cleansed it with micellar water and then I steamed my face. But like, I don't have one of those little steamers because I'm not rich. So I just steamed my face like a normal person. Like, I'm so annoyed with other people doing like these shaving my face videos, like these skincare videos, and they have these like $80, like a handheld steamer. Are you stupid? You know that video of the baby? That's like, hey, it.
What? Hey, fuck it.
This is a bad idea. This is 100% a bad idea. I'm unqualified. And I watched those two videos very quickly and impulsively. I was like, I have to shave my effing face this week. Like, there was very little thought put into this. And that's when I thrive creatively. First of all, look at this. Like, if anyone's wondering why I feel the need to shave my face, like, outside of the fact that Jaclyn Hill and Aaliyah J did it, look at this. Look at that. Okay, let's go into it. Ooh.
I hope they put those in the box.
Oh,
I know it.
ew. Am I really going to sit here and show you guys my facial hair on camera? Of course I am. I am the queen of TMI. Look at this. That's just this immediate area. Okay, let's keep going. Oh my god. Oh my god. This also helps with like removing dead skin cells. So like, people still do it like on their nose or like their chin or areas that aren't really hairy, just because it will like scrape off the top layer of skin. Oh my god. The area that I have shaved already looks completely different. Also, let me show you guys this. So I have these two chin hairs on the left side of my face that just keep going back. I might not even shave them because I can pluck them and, like, no joke, they will be back in 2 days and they will be long. I don't know how it's happening and I don't know why. I don't know what karma this is. I don't know what I did to deserve it, but they're not really gonna go anywhere. So I might shave them, but they'll be back in 2 days. And then my mustache really was like the deciding factor. I'm gonna stop talking for a minute and I'll even zoom in. Don't say you don't have a mustache. I know I do. Don't lie to me. I'm sorry, I keep coming back down here because I just feel like there's more hair. And there is every time I come. But there's a difference already. Like, I literally feel a difference on my skin. Also, in Jaclyn's, in her video, she was saying that if you don't get like close-ish to your eyebrows, or like do your eyebrow area, that it'll be visible when you've done your, oh yeah, I can see how. because like here you can see that hair. I'm so hairy, ew. You can see the hair like in between my hairline and my brow, and I had never ever noticed that until literally right now. I am a woolly mammoth. No, this isn't. Oh, it's kind of working. Oh, there we go. This is terrifying. This is scary. I'm so close to my eyebrow. I could have legit just slipped and now the whole tail end of my eyebrow is gone. Look, can y'all please? I really hope y'all can see that. The amount of hair. The sideburns on this side of my face were a lot more cooperative, because look, these I was able to shave down. These over here, I don't know if y'all have noticed, I've hit this spot like 4 times. This isn't moving. Okay, I'm full on about to jump out of a window. The last thing you guys saw was me shaving, I think, this side over here. I'm like completely finished shaving my whole face now, and I didn't notice that my camera cut out, and I'm so annoyed. The whole big to-do was you guys watching me shave my mustache. I didn't even get it on camera, but look at the difference. Look at the material. Look at the material.
You should be going home
anyway.
You can be the judge of it.
So I'm so sorry, but unfortunately it cut out like the tail end of me finishing shaving my face, but that's fine. No biggie. So you can see my skin is visibly just a little bit lighter, especially upper cheek and lower cheek. And I think even my forehead, I'm looking at myself while I'm talking. I think even like my forehead and like my nose, I don't know, everything looks a little bit brighter to me. I guess not lighter in color, you know, but like everything looks a little bit brighter. You can definitely tell that this is kind of like exfoliating. I look like I got a bunch of dead skin cells off of my skin. That's exactly what shaving helps with. I also am very excited to see myself without a mustache for the first time in like 1.5 years, because I've just been procrastinating taking my mustache off. So the benefits here was removing dead skin cells, and my skin looks like visibly brighter because of it. And then obviously taking off the little hairs on your face will help your makeup application. And so I think I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed, and I'm very pleased. Even like just outside of makeup application, I'm glowing. Look at me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, all that, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.